Your porch is the first place that welcomes guests during the holiday season, and with a few simple touches, it can become a magical entrance filled with warmth and Christmas spirit. Today, we're exploring easy and beautiful Christmas porch decoration ideas that make your home feel festive from the moment someone arrives. We'll break it down into 3 parts: styling the entryway, adding festive accents, and creating that cozy Christmas glow. These ideas work for small porches, large porches, and everything in between. Start with the entry itself. Create a welcoming focal point that instantly sets the tone. Think clean lines, balanced shapes, and touches that feel warm and inviting. Keep the arrangement simple and uncluttered so your porch feels open and festive at the same time. What's your favorite Christmas porch style? Classic, rustic, or modern? Tell me in the comments below. Next, bring in the seasonal details. Add layers of texture, height, and color to create a full and cheerful look. Mix elements that feel cozy, bright, and winter-inspired. These accents help build visual interest and make the porch feel like part of your indoor holiday decor. Use symmetry when you can. It adds balance and makes the entire entrance look polished and intentional. Even small porches can feel grand with the right placement. If these Christmas porch ideas filled you with festive cheer, hit like and share this video. A soft holiday glow transforms the porch into a warm and magical welcome. Play with gentle illumination, warm tones, and subtle highlights around the door and corners. A cozy glow adds charm, depth, and that classic Christmas feeling that makes every guest smile the moment they arrive. Tell me your style below. Subscribe for more outdoor Christmas decor inspiration. And there you have it. Simple, beautiful Christmas porch decoration ideas that make your home shine with festive cheer. With thoughtful styling, a few seasonal accents, and the perfect touch of holiday light, your porch becomes a warm and enchanting invitation to the season. All porch decor items featured are linked in the description. Decorate with joy, welcome with warmth, and let your home glow with the magic of Christmas.